Hey guys, it's Cameron Carrier from Village Real Estate, back with you again today to do another property walkthrough. We're at a great new listing from Compass over here in Sylvan Heights at 506 36th Avenue North, Unit A. It's located near Sylvan Park, just minutes away from all those new restaurants and coffee shops that open in the area. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath house with over 2,300 square feet. It includes quartz countertops in the kitchen and sand and finished hardwoods throughout. Great house, and if you'd like more information, please email me through the property link listed below. And don't forget to like and subscribe our videos, and let's go see this house.